response. Okay, so Shrikant, why Workday is so popular these days? Because it is a cloud-based. You better know, you are working as an end user. It is a cloud-based software, so you not
Yes,
need
yeah,
to set up anything. You not need to have a huge data bank with you in your organization. If you have the credential, you can work on it, and every details, every data on the cloud. So it is even connected with the other teams. Like if the data is there, HR team can use, finance team can use, your learning team can use, payroll team can use the same data, employee data. Okay, it is
yeah,
connected with the all the departments. Only you need to the access, security access to access the data, because if you're in the HR team, you cannot access the finance data. So there are different modules also in the Workday, like
yeah,
recruit. Yes. So this training is all about core SCM. In core SCM, what is the curriculum? I'll show you in few minutes. So recruitment comes. We cover the end-to-end recruitment process from the you can say, in the training I'm telling you, like open the job, uh, creating a new job application, how to post on the external side, get the application, interview process, the entire recruitment process, if you are aware, till the hire candidate, create the employee ID of the candidate, and then even onboarding process also start. Compensation, we create a different kind of compensation grade and compensation, a segment we create. Just like in your organization must be, there is a hierarchy. Somebody is on
yeah,
the engineer level, somebody at the senior engineer level, lead level, so you have a different compensation for these grade wise according to your organization. So Workday
yeah,
actually, it's a comprehensive software, but the companies customize according to need. That's the reason lots of jobs for a SCM consultant. Just like your company have taken the Workday, now they want a SCM consultant who can customize the software according to their need. Because maybe in IBM there is a different band system. In your company, different band system. They cannot follow the IBM one. Na? They will follow their own. Just because of the software, they'll not go and change the entire process. So the customization happened from the SCM consultant. Like you need to create a different compensation band for a company. So there is a range of the salary, there is experience, and basis of that, HR will put candidates under that particular grade. So it is all structure. I definitely explore more in the session. And the payroll, how to process salaries, and how to there is any changes in the salary, promotions, job change happen, how to change any of the candidate salary. And then benefits like what all comes under the benefits, like your medical insurance, and medical insurance companies provide. So the complete data, sometimes the family details and everything, these data has to be captured in a Workday, so that they can share with the third party vendor that this is the complete employee data. When they terminate, this has to be reduced. Sometimes there is a family addition, new baby came, so
Madhukar,
benefits
can you
come.
please allow Arjuna sir to enter in the class? He's waiting in the meeting room.
Yes, I did, Arjun. Yes. So in the training, we complete the complete benefits and then performance management, because the workday is a complete employee life cycle. Hello. Hi, Arjuna. Someone say something. Okay. And the time tracking. This is also very important module of Workday. Like this helps to manage employees' leaves, employee absence. Sometimes somebody got abscond, and project-wise timesheet. Everything comes under the time tracking. So we explain how to create, how to design, how to categorize this one, and same with the time off. Because if somebody is leaving the job, you have to calculate how much unleave that person has. So it has to be properly calculated. If as an employee, you want to apply leave, you have to go in the time tracking worklet, and you have to apply leave, and your manager has to approve. It will be uploaded, and this data required to the finance team, payroll team, HR team. Like that's why I'm saying the complete organization is connected in the Workday. So that data used by the different organization. After the completion of the SCM training, in case if you have an interest, you want to go in the finance based on your qualification, so you can do some special course for this finance. But this SCM will give you the complete overview of the entire modules. Okay, and let me go to the course curriculum. Yes. So first we cover the organization in the Workday, be it supervisory organization, and
Madhu ma'am, is there any issue with the like?
that. Yes. So staffing model, we cover the complete staffing model, job and positions, how to open position, how to freeze position, job families, and hire candidate against the positions, everything, the complete life cycle of this recruitment, you can say. Then compensation, because it is also part of the SCM compensation component, how to compensation segment, security, compensation rule, report, everything. And the main part is like security groups. So security is also very important, because as you are an end user, you must be knowing, until unless you don't have access, you can't see the any data in a Workday. Just like you are an end user, you can't see anybody's salary, but the same time your HRBP, she or he has the security access, can see the salary of any of the employees, see the talent performance review of any employee, and the leaves balance of any employees, the complete things around the security. Actually, if you have access, you can download the report, you can see, but if you don't have access, you cannot do. So we'll cover like types of the security, like role based security, user based security, and we perform also in the tenant, so that you learn and you do it from your own also. Again, the most important is the business process, because everything route on the business process, your approvals, if you're opening any position, so it is nothing, it is not going to be open until unless your manager, your business that will not approve any headcount and position in the Workday. Then you can assign to your HR team to look for a candidate, and the HR team has to post the position from external site, internal site, and again, when the candidate select, there is offer for a approval. So that comes under the business process. You have to design your business process, because A company has a different kind of a business process to get the approval. B company has a different kind of the business approvals process. Fine. So we see how company design the business process, how they configure it. If you want the notification goes to the all the managers who are in the approval list, so you can configure. If you want to configure any notification that goes to the HR team also, once the offer got approval, you can configure, because it is a complete robust software, this Workday. You can play around it, and it is very easy to use as well. It's very user friendly. You just know the process and you will able to perform. And there is a no coding, nothing. You just know the steps and you can do it. Sometimes some rules you have to apply, some filter you have to apply, that will definitely cover. And transaction in Workday, like create a pre-hire. If somebody is selected, so you can create the pre-hire of the candidate, initiate the hire process. And even we'll cover, like once the candidate hired and become the employee of the company. So there's a one business process called change job. So under the change job, lots of actions comes, like terminate the employee, change location, promote the employee, change the department. And this is also very frequent asking question during the interview as well, like have you performed these things in your job or not. So we will definitely cover everything. And this reporting again is a pillar of this Workday. Like if you are working in any organization, any department, you require some reports. uh, so in HR also you require, in finance you also require. So as a functional consultant, you can help your team to get the report, and you can report according to their requirement. If they are having any quarterly report, they want these columns, and in the report these information. As a functional consultant, you can create the report, you can share with the team so that they can access the report from the Workday only. You can share in a Workday also. So we cover all the advanced report, calculated report, we cover. And integration, again integration helps, like when it is a from the third party. Like we cover core connectors also, and the EIBs also we connected inbound outbound, so that functional consultant also perform the activities of the integrations and core connectors. So we'll cover how to do that. If you're just like your salary is processing from any third party vendor, so you can get the data, you can share your data from Workday to your third party vendor with the help of the security. So this is really a day-to-day job of the functional consultant. That's all of the course curriculum. Okay. So any question, anything if you have, you can ask, please.
Madhu ma'am, if you are sharing your screen, but we guys are unable to see your screen.
Oh, really?
Also, please allow Arjuna. He's waiting in the meeting room.
I was showing.
Uh, it's not
How
like
come I'm
visible
the
to.
presenter of this training?
Yes, ma'am. You are the
Is
presenter.
it
You are
visible
the.
now?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible now.
Yes. Is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
We can
Yeah.
see.
So sorry, Shrikant, I was not aware like it is not visible to you, and this is the course curriculum which I have explained. So you can see these are the okay, so these will cover in our 45 days training program. And again, the session will be very interactive, and we perform each and everything. Whatever you can see in your screen, will definitely perform even more than this. Actually, we cannot capture a small thing in this content. So we perform in our tenant, and even you can also perform. So you know how to do this, just like how to create a calculated report. You will, just like if I'll explain one calculated report, so your assignment will be two or three reports you have to make from your own, and the next day you come with your queries, like there you're facing some challenge and you're not able to get the data source or anything, depends.
Okay.
And once I complete any topic, just like I have completed the organization in Workday, staffing models, job positions, so I have a scenario based questions related to this topic. Immediately I'll share so that you can work on it. and you'll be more confident once you, because if I share the scenario based question, end of the training may be little bit you untouched because you learned 30 days back. So my way of teaching is like immediately I'll share once I topic is clear, so that you can perform that scenario based question what exactly SCM consultants are performing in their own job.
Okay.
Sure, yeah, go ahead, you were saying something.
Oh, I was asking whether you will also be showing us integration with other tools.
Because I cannot integrate it like in real time. I cannot integrate. I'll show you how to do that, because when you're integrating with the third party, na, there is a
Yeah.
some they share you one URL and password. Okay, once you put the URL and correct URL and password, then you will be able to transfer your data to your the third party vendor. So we just show you how to do that. When you are actually working in an organization, you must be having that URL and password so that you can perform accordingly. But definitely in the training, we'll not be able to connect now with the third party vendor, because there is a no third party vendor with us actually. So we'll
Okay.
just explain how to do that. One dummy URL and one dummy password. We just perform so that when you're in the job, you must be having the URL and password when you are perform the EIBs and core connectors. So you can do it in that way. Because
Okay.
just like core connector XML file is there, so the vendor normally provide the complete XML file which you have to convert. So this you'll get it. We
Okay.
perform
Okay.
everything.
And do you also share, like every day once the training is done, will you share us? I don't know, how do we practice it? Do you have any?
As of now, actually, because I am associated with the other training institute, so the portal I can use for their training only. So for this training, I have to purchase a new one. Once you give me the information, immediately I'll purchase the portal for this particular training, because I can't use that portal for the different training just to the security purpose. So you know the tenant, GSM tenant.
GSM talent? Heard about it. It's something.
Yes. So you can say it is a just like in your organization. I'm just taking the example of recruitment. As a
Yeah.
recruiter, if I'm working somewhere, I am getting the job application. I'm line up the interviews. I'm preparing the offer letter. This is my job as an end user. Okay. So what
Correct.
GSM help us? It is a dummy of your workday, complete workday. What you are having in your organization. So in the GSM, you can go, it is not a real time. Okay, just to practice actually Workday provides. So you can create a new job, you can then you can post this job, you can align one candidate, you can create a candidate profile against this job. So and then after you can line up the candidate as a manager, you can fill the feedback and move the candidate for the second round again as a manager, proxy yourself as a manager and fill the feedback. So we we explain you the complete process in the GSM. We hire the candidate also. We terminate the candidate. We move, change the location. We create the supervisory organization and everything in the GSM tenant. So it is actually this real workday as we are using in our organization. Okay.
Uh,
So
one.
that I will, once I explain the topic, then immediately I jump on the this real time tenant access, and I'll perform you how to do that, how to create the supervisory organization, and the parallelly will give you the access to you as well. You can also perform after the training, and you can come up with your queries in case if you have. So you'll also get the access. I'll also have the access.
Okay. Okay. One last question, right? Let's say I see you have this modules which you're going to take us through, but other than that, there is some custom changes which customer might need, right? If I wanted to make some changes to staffing model, that
Yes,
configuration for
that's. Uh-huh.
development.
That we are going to explain you in the training now, just like you join any organization as a manager. I'm saying that when hiring manager will not open the position, only recruiter will open the position. So I'll not give the access to the hiring manager to open the position na. Maybe there is a B organization saying that my hiring manager will open the position, then it route to the recruiter. So we'll create the process accordingly. And just like they are saying, which offer you create, it goes for a 4 layers of approval. There is a B company saying that when a recruiter is creating the offer, it goes only 2 layers of approval, and then recruiter can extend the offer. We'll create accordingly whatever you say, and whatever
Oh,
report, like not you say, the organization says. Just like for which organization you are associated, maybe the HRBP team is saying, as a SCM consultant, create a performance review form for me. So you take all the information and you can create according to their requirements. So Workday gives the customization access to their customers so that they can customize the process accordingly. But my point, so this is the
yeah.
job of the Workday consultant. This is the portal, and you can customize according to your organization. And even in the
Okay.
security, if you want to give, just like a salary access, if you want to give the salary access to your HRBP team, HRBP team can see the salary of any of the employee. But you cannot give the salary access of the recruitment team. There are 10 recruiters in your organization. You don't want to show, give the access to your recruiter team to see the any salary of anyone in the organization. So you can block, you cannot give, you don't give the security access to view the salary details of the my employee. Okay, some
Okay.
organization follow, like as a manager you can see your subordinate salary. So we can enable the security group. As a manager, if you're a manager, you can see your entire team salary. But in some organization, they even do not allow manager to see the salary of their subordinates. I think you know, na?
Yes, yes, I kind
So
of understand that.
we configure the system according to the organization need. This is the role of the SCM consultant actually.
Okay, okay,
Got
got
my
it.
point?
Yes, yeah.
Yes. And you can schedule some report, just like maybe your payroll team is saying, I need this, maybe there is some birthday incentive distribution. So payroll team is saying, like, I need this, how much amount we need to process, I need this report on 31st of every month. So you can schedule one report every 31st of every month. They will get the report. So you can schedule for them. You not need to do anything. You just configure once, and they'll get the report every day. In case if they want any report, any, just like a termination report on every Monday they want. So you can schedule that report weekly, every Monday or every Tuesday, whatever day they give, you can schedule accordingly. So in Workday, you can customize as much as you want and your organization wants. So we, as a functional consultant, learn how to do this.
Okay.
Got it?
Got it, yeah.
Yeah. Just like somebody join in the as a project manager, you want to enable that person view and edit access of that particular project. So in Workday, you go and add that person in that project. So, so normally, their manager will create a ticket to the functional team that he has joined as a new project manager, allow him access of a running project, allow him to see the team details, team and project update. They gives you the complete requirement you have to perform. So we learn how to.
Okay. So, can you share the course curriculum in the chat for our reference? Is it
Yes,
okay?
I'll yeah, it is fine. I'll share with Shilpa. You can go through it. It's a complete open, and definitely it